is to mislead you, to divert you by bringing in a fresh accusation. So that's
Exactly.
why you open your eyes and see. So we don't need to justify at all Swamiji's contributions to humanity, which is exemplary, which is stunning, which speaks for itself. We need to only expose every single cunning strategy placed in front of the innocent people by the persecutors. He uses strong false accusations like the word traitor, which will trigger an alarm in people's minds. The same way he triggers alarms in people's mind by suddenly declaring a sannyasi of the organization dead, or that he's suddenly missing, he or she is suddenly missing. So the viewers really have to understand here and watch what he comes up with. He just chooses, points which will ring an alarm in people's mind. Traitor, oh God, they get frightened. Somebody is missing, somebody is dead, somebody is murdered, they get frightened. So he is all about choosing these alarming issues and slapping just coming out with such bizarre statements.
It's not that he wants to reach out and enrich. His whole aim was to control and grab the power. And when that he felt that could not happen in Yogini Savadipita, then his whole conspiracy started. Because if you actually see the first statement that he speaks in November and how he kept building on the story, one media interview after the other, any viewer with a little bit of a common sense will know he's cooking things up. And if you actually see towards the end, even the interviewers have started asking, that why are you cooking, why are you making all these things up? In the media, they're asking him. Because right from the space, live interview, they're asking him, why are you making all of these things up? Because none of this show what you are saying and the reality doesn't match. Do not look at what he's telling, but ask why he's telling. When we have the right question, it's called pure questioning. It comes up in Upanishad. The pure questioning. Here, if you be in the space of pure questioning, you will not even listen to what he's telling, but you will always ask why he's telling. And that why will lead you to the ultimate truth. And you will wake up and you will realize how much of a conspired witch and anti-Hindu element he is.